Hello everyone, I am Jerry. Why use only the servo motor used in laser cutting machines instead of other types of motors? Essentially, all motors operate on the core principle of electromagnetism, generating power through the opposite poles attract. Like poles repel interaction between electromagnets and permanent magnets. However, the servo motor's advantage lies in its dual precision in speed and positioning, which is exactly the core requirement for laser cutting. Then why is it more precise than other motors? The key lies in the encoder at the rear of the motor. Controlling a servo motor cannot be achieved by a single motor alone. It requires a complete system that relies on the collaboration of a controller and the driver. First, the controller issues commands. Then the driver converts these commands into signals executable by the motor to drive its operation. At the same time, the encoder continuously monitors the motor's actual operating status, feeds back data such as position and speed to the driver, compares whether the command requirements match the actual execution, and makes immediate corrections if there is any deviation, ensuring 100% fulfillment of the commands. By now, everyone should understand why some manufacturers would rather reduce the configuration of the system or laser than use low-quality off-brand servo motors, because the servo motor is the core backbone for the precise operation of a laser cutting machine. Off-brand motors often fail to meet standards in terms of encoder precision and driver stability, which will directly lower the cutting accuracy and ultimately affect the overall performance of the equipment.